Good day guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In my last video tutorial, I talked about how to insert multiple rows in Excel by just holding a shift key button. In today's video tutorial, I want to show you how to plot 3D graph in Excel. 3D plot in Excel plot the graph for those data sets which may not give you much visibility with other data sets, and plot the area when we have large data points. It is a creative way of changing a simple 2D graph into 3D. Okay, now let's now delve into how to plot 3D graph in Excel. Plotting 3D graph in Excel is very easy and useful when converting data, pie chart and graph into a 3D format. Let's understand how to plot 3D graph in Excel with some example I have on the screen here. Okay, 3D plot can be accessed from the insert menu right up here under the chart section. We have data where we have measured the class climb by some students. The class is represented by an alphabet, which is we have class A, class B, class C and class D respectively basis. Okay, plotting this data in 3D graph will make it easy to validate the case situation. Okay, first select the data. Okay, first select the data right here. Okay, and then go to the insert tab. Okay, you can see the insert tab right up here, and then under the chart, select column chart. You can see as I put my cursor on this here, so just select the column chart. Once we click on it, we will get a drop down menu from there, then select 3D right from there. Okay, after selecting the 3D column option, we will get the 3D plot column as shown on the screen here. Here we can add data label, axis title and heading, and even change the design of the 3D. Okay, let's say I want to put the data title here. Okay, I can just name it as student record. Okay, you can see, so I can just name it as, let me drag it right here. Okay, you can see. So that is it. As we can see in the graph above, the whole data is mapped in the columns, and these columns are parallel frame with data. The height of column are mapped, and the height parameter are shown above on each column. Let's map this data again in a different 3D plot. We will now plot a 3D graph right now. Okay, firstly we select the data set again. Let's select the data set again. Okay, and then go to the insert tab right up here. You can see, okay, under the chart, right under the chart section, select waterfall. Okay, you can see, you just select the waterfall right up here. You can see, you can select the waterfall. We have so many chart options right here. You can select the waterfall, stock, surface, radar chart as shown below. Okay, so I will choose the, okay, let's use surface. Let's select the surface part. Okay, let's suppose you can see, once we do that, we will get a drop down menu of the surface rather than other. So once we do that, we will now get the 3D surface and or the other chart that you can be used to plot the graph. The above data shown this class climbed by the student by each crest and through the different color region. By this, so let me drag this second graph right here. Okay, let me drag it right here so that it can be shown. Okay, now by this we can try some 3D plot available in Excel to make it more easy for us when we are doing a project and some other functional activities. Okay, thank you. Stay blessed. Bye.